This 2008 Ford Super Duty F-350 SRW is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. 1. Owner Ford Super Duty F-350 Service Work Truck. Only 92k miles on the 300 horsepower Ford Triton 5.4 V8 engine. This truck is ready to roll with cold AC, hot heat, a full nap hide contractor box with dual ladder racks, tons of storage for parts and doors, multiple slide-out drawers, great tires, and a bed with lockable door. 7K Cummins own commercial generator. This one was built to work. Price includes an ASC drivetrain plus warranty. 940 595 9328 www.tswertrucks Comp Lumber, HVAC, electrician, mobile mechanic, mechanical services, painter, drywall, general contractor, cable, fiber, lawn and garden, landscape, sprinkler, concrete, handyman. Visit us at txworktrucks.com.